Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to see how to do lazy girl makeup in under 1 minute. All you need is kajal and you can use it to do your waterline, line your waterline with this, and then the next step is lip liner. Yeah, you can use your lip liner and then line your lips. I used a brown shade. The brown really makes it look like you have done a lot, and also it suits brown skin really well. So after you've done lining your lips, the next step, it's kind of very easy. All you need is, I'll tell you, lip gloss. See how your lips is already popping and everything looks so cohesive and so nice. And that's it. Bye bye.